To make $1 million online in 1 year, the most effective strategy is to build a high-value digital business that can scale without limits. And the foundation of that is choosing a profitable niche, creating an irresistible offer, and driving massive traffic using content and paid ads. First, you begin by identifying a niche where people have big problems and are willing to pay big money for fast solutions. This could be business growth, fitness transformation, financial skills, tech skills, or any market with proven demand. Instead of trying to create many products, focus on one flagship offer that sells for a high price, between $200 and $2,000, so that you don't need millions of customers. Just a few thousand buyers can take you to 7 figures. Once you have the offer, you build a simple funnel, a landing page that clearly explains the problem, the solution, the transformation, and why your method is different. Then create a lead magnet such as a free ebook, masterclass, or short course to attract people and collect their emails. After that, the real engine of your $1 million year is traffic, consistent high-volume traffic. Start by posting valuable content daily on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, focusing on tutorials, stories, and case studies that show the results your method can deliver. This organic content builds trust and brings in free leads. At the same time, reinvest your early profits into paid ads because ads allow you to scale quickly. Even a simple video ad with a clear message, here's the problem, here's the solution, here's what people are saying, can generate thousands of leads per month. As people join your email list, use automated email sequences that teach, nurture, and guide them toward your paid program or product. This combination of content, funnels, and ads is the core of almost every online business that hits 7 figures. But the next step is increasing your customer lifetime value. Instead of relying on one product, offer upgrades such as advanced programs, one-on-one coaching, templates, software tools, or community memberships. This lets each customer spend more over time, which pushes your revenue higher without needing to find endless new buyers. Another key factor is speed, testing fast, improving fast, and always focusing on what works. Every week, analyze your content performance, your ad results, your email open rates, and your sales conversions. Remove what's not working, double down on what is, and keep the cycle going. Building $1 million online business in 1 year also requires strong personal branding. People don't just buy your product, they buy your voice, your confidence, your energy, and your story. Share behind-the-scenes moments, your struggles, your lessons, and your wins. This turns followers into fans, and fans into buyers. Finally, remember that scaling happens when you automate and delegate. Use tools to automate emails, customer onboarding, scheduling, and payments. Then hire freelancers for tasks like editing, design, customer support, and ad management so you can focus on the strategy and big decisions. With a powerful offer, a simple funnel, daily content, paid ads, email automation, and consistent improvement, making $1 million online in 1 year becomes not just possible, but predictable. It's a combination of solving a real problem, building a loyal audience, and creating a system that runs every day, even when you're offline. Stick to one niche, one offer, one funnel, and one traffic strategy for 12 months, and your focus and consistency will do the work that most people never commit to. That's the roadmap to your 7-figure year.